Did you meet Sally?
Yeah. I met her, yes. And I made, in my style, some bad taste jokes, telling her that is she, Lee, in these times of political correctness, you shouldn't draw any conclusion from a name. You can be everything, you know.
No assumptions that I believe.
No, because you know that, for example, this idea now with some trans people that they call themselves not he, she, but they.
He, she, him, they.
But in Slovene, my language, this is absolutely ridiculous because we can use they even to address another person, but it means an almost old-fashioned feudal respect. If you meet an extremely strong, in the sense of authority, person, you don't say, even in this polite way, you say, would they like to do this, please? Would they?
You do this in England too. If you haven't spent too much time with the Queen or the princesses, you might know that you do this all the time with them.
I didn't know. So again, this it appears ridiculous for me, and I got in many trouble for saying things which are no longer taken with certain irony today, and I get in trouble again and again.
Let me close on maybe with two jokes. One of them is the recognition that a lot of these people are clowns deliberately. And I learned this when a friend of mine who knew Derrida took me to hear him. I never could read Derrida at all. And I heard him, and it was crystal clear, and I realized he's a jokester, he's a clown. We need to know maybe a tiny bit of French, and then it's all funny. Maybe that's an exaggeration, but that's the way he saw it. And then Feynman, who I knew a little bit, Feynman was a total clown. Do you think he took that stuff seriously? Then finally, the great clown Einstein, who taught Einstein this conjecture, who taught Einstein to put on those hippie clothes and no socks and walk around. Who taught him that? From who did Einstein steal it? Einstein stole the whole getup. Einstein was a sophisticated mid-century gentleman who came to the United States and turned himself into a clown, walking around with slippery. Yes. Where did he learn that from? Who did he learn it from? And then a lot of things will make sense.
I don't
Charlie
know
Chaplin. Einstein copied Charlie Chaplin. And the whole thing was a clown act to hide.
Yeah, but you know what I nonetheless like about Chaplin? It's an ingenious idea. You saw, our generation did, Chaplin's movie, Great Dictator, is that Hitler was a horrible clown, but he was not a dignified person of authority. Hitler was a clown, basically.
Right, yes.
That's crucial to understand, I mean.
So I think that when I look around trying to make sense of everything that's happening, it doesn't hurt to try a day where so-and-so is just playing a clown. But anyway, we've gone far afield. I certainly don't know anything about that.